everyone, it's Tu from Cleverific, and today I'm going to show you a way to easily let customers make changes to their order post-purchase. And here we are on the order status page of order number 18, and you can see that this customer has about an hour left to make changes. They can change their shipping address, they can add or remove items, and make any other changes that you want your customers to be able to do once their order has been placed. And we can go ahead and show you how to do that right now. So I'm now over in Shopify under the order status or the checkout and customer accounts order status page. And to get that block that you see over here onto your page, all you need to do is go and click on Add Block, select the Change Order block, and there it is. It's that simple. In this scenario, I've given the customer 90 minutes to make this change. I can simply change it to 3 hours, and I'm going to go ahead and hit Save, and we can see that that's all you need to do to get it on that page. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and next time I'll show you how to customize it and do a couple more fun things with this block.